Good morning, dear students. This is the online class of Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram, and I am Mushfiqa Akhtar Chaudhary. Dear students, we are now in a Bengali New Year, so good wishes for Bangla Nabobarsho and Ramadan Mubarak to you all. As you all can see, our today's class is for class 8 students and the subject is English. So, at first look at the screen. What are there on the screen? Yes, these are the pictures of different types of food items. We can see that there are fishes, there are meats, there are rice and different kinds of foods. So, you must guess that our today's class is about food. Dear students, today we are going to cover 3 lessons from the Unit 2 of your English for Today book. As all these lessons are not that much big. So our today's lesson is Unit 2, Food and Nutrition, Lesson 1, Good Food, Lesson 2, Kind of Food, and Lesson 3, Our Daily Diet. After the class, we will be able to read and understand text, listen for information, write answers to the questions and practice sounds. Dear students, let's begin with the text. But before that, let's check out some unknown words and its meaning. So, the first new word is nutritious. Nutritious is an adjective and it means providing nutrients or something that is healthy to eat. Okay. The second word is substances. It's a noun and it means the most vital part of anything. The third one is carbohydrates. Do you know what is carbohydrate? Yes, it's a noun and it means a group of organic compounds that serves as a major energy source for living things. And the fourth one is essential. Essential is an adjective and it means very important. So open your book, page number 13, and here is the text. Usually we prefer silent reading, but as it is an online class, I am reading the text for you. But remember girls, after reading the text, you have to do some exercises, so read it attentively. Mrs. Rehana, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food. Food is very important for our body, she says. We can't live without it, but you must always have good food. What's good food, teacher? Asks a student. Good food means the right kind of food for good health, says Mrs. Rehana. It is nutritious. It must contain natural substances that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. But remember, you must not eat too much though the food is good. Eating too much is bad for health. You have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. So, you do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. It depends on your growth and physical structure. Next, now it's time for answering the questions. On the screen there are some questions and the first one is, what is Mrs. Rehana talking about? Well, Miss Rehana is talking about food in her class. Question number 2. Why do we eat food? What is the answer, dear students? Yes, we eat food because we can't live without it. It is essential for all living beings to have food. And our third question is, What is meant by nutritious food? Nutritious food means the right kind of food that contain natural substances that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. And then we have our fourth question, and it is, how much food does a person need to eat a day? The amount of food that a person needs to eat in a day depends on his growth and his physical structure. So, it is not same for all person. And question number 5. Does everyone need the same amount of food, and why? What do you think, dear students? No, all do not need the same amount of food. It depends on people's growth and physical structure. So these are the answers of the questions. Dear students, you have another exercise on this topic, and it is complete the sentences. So let's try it. The first one is, we should eat good food too. What do you think? What should be the answer? We should eat good food to stay healthy. Number 2, we should not eat more than our body needs. Number 3, eating too much food is not good for health. Number 4, good food means the right kind of food. So this is the exercise of completing sentence. So dear students, we have completed the first lesson of the unit. So let's go for the next lesson.
Class 8,
and now we are
Unit 2. Lesson 2. A. Kinds of food.
It is a listening activity.
Miss
So
Rehana
listen to
continues
the
her
text.
talk about food.
We eat different kinds of food, and they contain different substances. There are 6 types of food substances. 1. Carbohydrate. We get carbohydrate from rice, bread, potato, and sugar. 2. Protein. Meat, fish, egg, and some vegetables like peas, beans, and lentils are good sources of protein. 3. Fat. We have fat from butter, ghee, edible oil, and nuts. 4. Vitamins. We get vitamins mainly from leafy vegetables and fruits. Milk, fish, and eggs also contain vitamins. 5. Minerals. These are essential for good health. Milk, fish, vegetables, and fruits have a lot of minerals in them. 6. Water. Water is most essential for our body. We cannot live without it. We need to drink enough clean water every day.
Miss Rehana is very health conscious. She tries to avoid foods rich in carbohydrate. So, she never takes sugar in her tea.
So dear students, have you all understood the text properly? Okay, how many kinds of foods do we need? Yes, we need 6 kinds of food in our meal. And what are they? They are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. This is the time to do some multiple choice activities. and the first question is, foods are divided into classes according to their colors and tastes, shapes and sizes, substances they contain, water they contain. And which one is the correct answer, dear students? It's substances they contain. Fine. Number 2. Potatoes contain a lot of carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals. And which one is the correct answer? It is carbohydrate. Butter and ghee are a good source of protein, fat, vitamins, carbohydrate. Which one is the correct answer, dear students? Yes, it is B, fat. Question number 4. Minerals are present in nuts, peas, milk, water. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, it's C, milk. Which food has the most carbohydrate? Sugar, rice, fruits, vegetables. And the correct answer is sugar.
Let's talk about some essential foods that we need to eat regularly. For our good health, we must choose the right food in our daily diet.
We eat rice, roti, fish and meat every day. What else should we have, teacher?
Well, we must also eat vegetables and fruits. They contain a lot of vitamins and minerals. They keep our body free from diseases. They're also good for our skin and overall health.
Should we have anything else?
Sure. We need to drink milk every day. Milk is highly rich in calcium. It's good for our healthy growth. It makes our bones and teeth strong as well. We must drink pure water at regular intervals too. It's essential for our body. We can't live without drinking water.
So my dear students, you all have listened to the dialogue, and now here is a table on the screen for you. All you have to do is you have to make 5 questions from this table. So let's try, okay? The first one. Why do we need to eat good food? Number B. What is essential for our body? Number C. What do minerals do to us? Number 4. What do vegetable contains? Number 5. What foods are good food for our skin? Okay? Dear students, now it is homework time. As a homework, you have to write the answers of the questions that you have made previously. Dear students, this is all for today. Eat healthy food, maintain social distancing, follow the rules of health, that is wash your hands frequently, wear masks and avoid crowds. Stay safe. Goodbye to you all.